Hello, I'm Joy Langford, Board President of the Water Replenishment District. Join me as we take you on a tour of our service area to see what we're doing to provide safe and sustainable drinking water for you and your family. WRD is the largest groundwater management agency in California. Our service area covers 420 square miles and includes 43 cities. Nearly half of the water used every day comes from the groundwater that WRD manages. I'm proud to report that WRD is making great strides in transforming the way that we use and reuse water. We are excited to share the successes of our recent projects. So come along as we take a trip throughout our service area to see what we're up to. Our first stop is the Leo J. Vanderland's Advanced Water Treatment Facility in Long Beach. WRD's LVL facility was first built in 2003 and further expanded in 2014. Here is Director Allen to tell you more.
Hello, I'm Director John Allen, and I'm welcoming you here to the Leo Vanderland's Advanced Water Treatment Facility here in Long Beach. This plant plays a crucial role in our region's water security. Here, the Water Replenishment District works with the county sanitation districts to purify up to 8 million gallons of water a day. The purified water is then injected into the groundwater basin at strategic locations to block ocean water from seeping in and contaminating our groundwater.
We're also pioneering unique public-private partnerships here at LVL to help advance this important work. With funding from state and federal grants and partnerships with PepsiCo, the Coca-Cola Company, and Reyes Coca-Cola Bottling, we're continuing our work to keep our local water resources safe and secure. Through this work, we're protecting the central groundwater basin while simultaneously replenishing the groundwater supply. From Long Beach to Pico Rivera, our next stop is the Albert Robles Center for Water Recycling and Environmental Learning. ARC, as we call this facility, has been in operation since 2019. Director Vera Robles DeWitt and our team will be telling you more about the work we do there.
I'm Director Vice President Vera Robles DeWitt. Welcome to ARC, WRD's landmark recycled water facility located in the city of Pico Rivera. This facility purifies up to 14.8 million gallons of recycled water a day.
ARC uses state-of-the-art technology, including ultrafiltration, reverse osmosis, and UV advanced oxidation, to purify water to near distilled quality.
We then send the treated water to spreading grounds, where it percolates into aquifers and is stored for future use. But that's not all we do here.
We are also educating the next generation of water professionals at our state-of-the-art learning center.
What goes out of the ground must be replenished.
ARC features 40 indoor and outdoor exhibits that teach visitors about groundwater and conservation. In fact, WRD's education program was named Outstanding Education Program by Water Reuse's national and California chapters in 2024. WRD has also worked with our partners at the Los Angeles County Department of Public Works to capture and store as much stormwater as safely possible at the Montebello 4-Bay spreading grounds. The storms of 2023 and 2024 provided 105.5 billion gallons of water that we were able to capture and store underground. Here's Director Sergio Calderon and our Senior Hydrogeologist, Joe, to explain what we do to maintain safe groundwater.
Hi, I'm Director Sergio Calderon, and welcome to the Los Angeles 4-Bay, where we work closely with stakeholders in our service area to monitor groundwater quality. When we find problems with quality or safety, WRD provides funding and technical assistance to build treatment facilities to address them. Over the years, we've helped complete 19 treatment facilities.
We recently completed this project, which is targeting a perchlorate plume in the Los Angeles 4-Bay. At this facility, we extract contaminated groundwater and treat the water using a fluidized bed reactor and ultraviolet advanced oxidation. In the South Bay, we're also working to treat brackish water or groundwater that is too salty to use and make it safe for drinking. Up next, Director Catherman and our engineer Mario will show you around our facility in Torrance.
Hi, my name is Rob Catherman. I'm a director here at the Water Replenishment District, and I'm here at the Robert W. Goldsworthy Desalter Project in Torrance. Here we treat up to 3.6 million gallons of brackish water a day by removing salt from this water and creating a new source of fresh drinking water for local residents.
We're currently working on expanding this facility as a part of WRD's brackish groundwater reclamation program. By expanding this facility, we'll be able to create new freshwater sources and additional storage in the groundwater basin. Thanks for stopping by. Now let's head back to WRD headquarters in Lakewood.
These are just a few of the projects that we're working on at WRD across our vast service area. We continue our commitment to provide, protect, and preserve safe and sustainable groundwater for over 4 million residents. Stay up to date with all of our projects and facilities by visiting our website and signing up for our digital newsletter.